Guy Fawkes.
Hey, Guy Fawkes, can I learn how to draw a clock?
Certainly, 1 clock coming right up. Let's start with a big circle in the middle of our paper. And then, in the middle of the circle, let's draw a dot for the dial. Now, our clock needs numbers, and in all my years of drawing, I have learned that if you put the 12 and 6 first, and then the 3 and the 9, that really helps to make a nice looking clock face. Are you ready? 12 here, 6 here, 3 here, and finally the 9 here. Now we can fill in the other numbers. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11. Are you ready? 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. And there's our clock face. Now for the hands. We have a minute hand, which is the long hand. So I'm going to draw a long line with an arrow at the end. And you can make your minute hand as simple or as complicated as you like. Now for the hour hand, which is the short hand. So I'll draw a short line with an arrow at the end. Okay, here's a challenge for you. What time is it on my clock? I'll tell you the answer at the end. Now that the face is finished, let's draw another circle around the first one. Now for the top of the clock. Let's draw a semicircle here, then a line down on each side. And then let's connect those two with a straight line. Then a curvy trapezium for the foot on this side, and a curvy trapezium for the foot on the other side. Finally, some decorations. I'm adding a few S-shapes here and there, but you may want to try hearts or shamrocks or butterflies, or anything you like. It's your drawing. And there it is, a clock. Oh, and what time is it? It's 2:35, which is drawing time. Happy drawing!